Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to be going over the change in tandem. And this example here is with a graph. So change in tandem describes how two different variables are going to change together. So we have our function f here, and it's going to be either increasing or decreasing, not both. And we want to state if it's one of the two, and on that given interval. Our given interval here is from 1 to 6, and then we'll justify our answer as well. So I'm kind of highlighting it on our graph. So looking as our x values increase, what's going on with our y values? The y values are decreasing as we go left to right. So for our answer, f is decreasing on the interval from 1 to 6. And this is because as our x values, or your inputs, they increase, then your y values, or your outputs, are also going to actually be decreasing. And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.